Charlie Victor Tango is leaving the circuit for local flights 90 minutes.
Ja, tot straks.
Tot straks. That's my info, Papa Hotel, Charlie Victor Tango just departed from Teugen.
The plan is to fly over the campsites we visited during the summer vacation. We will be flying with the Papa Hotel Charlie Victor Tango, a Cessna 172 from the Tues Motor Flying Club. As is often the case, a few things didn't go as planned. A short circuit in the communication system prevented Flying Frank from communicating with his passenger, although he could still communicate with ATC. Additionally, he realized after takeoff that he had forgotten to start the cameras. After takeoff he managed to start 2 of the 4 cameras. Nevertheless, it was a beautiful flight. Enjoy! First, we flew to the Bosrand campsite in Udemerken. We noticed that the camping spot where we stood was still available.
Wat zei je?
Op ons plekje stond iemand.
Nou komen we in de buurt.
Warning. Entering class Delta airspace in 2 minutes. Contact Leeuwarden Tower on 120.705.
Next, we flew to the Zandhorst campsite in Walterswald. We had announced our flight, so various campsite guests, as well as the campsite owner, Moline, were ready to greet us.
Waypoint change coming up. Turn right heading 171, descend altitude 1000 feet direct to Zalurheid.
Our caravan with awning was clearly visible. After a greeting, we flew directly back to Tues, where we landed on runway 26. It was warm, but we enjoyed the flight.
Zag je?
Ja, ik denk dat hij midden op het veld stond, 2 mensen.
Ja, zo ja. Dutch Marine for Papa Hotel Charlie Victor Tango is approaching Deventer and requesting frequency change to Teugen Radio.
Victor Tango, fijne avond.
Fijne avond, dankjewel. Teugen Radio, Papa Hotel Charlie Victor Tango is over at Deventer inbound your field and requesting other information.
Victor Tango, roger sir, we have runway 26 in use, left hand circuit.
26 left hand circuits, Papa Hotel Charlie Victor Tango. Charlie Victor Tango is over at Sierra Z-bound field.
Victor Tango, Sierra.
Charlie Victor Tango is joining mid-downwind runway 26 full stop.
Tango, mid-downwind voor de full stop.
Turning final 26 full stop, Charlie Victor Tango.
In de final route, ja.
Charlie Victor Tango, vacated runway 26.
Dank u wel.
Fijne avond.
Fijne avond, wel thuis.